Enzo Ferrari is one of the giants of auto racing history, and his legacy continues with today's supercars proudly bearing the famed Prancing Horse badge. Ferrari's 550 Maranello, named after the small town in Italy where the fabled cars are built, returns to a front-engine layout, much like that of the classic Daytona and earlier models. It harks back to the days of such Ferrari classics as the 250 GTO and GT racers of the 50s and 60s. The 550, successor to the great Testarossa, uses one of Ferrari's superbly engineered V12 power plants, a 5.5-liter unit developing a solid 485 horsepower. The superfast GT car has been judged one of the most refined Ferraris ever built, although its silky feel can be deceptive and extremely high speeds come up very quickly indeed. The cockpit of the 550 Maranello draws heavily on Ferrari tradition with its elegant 3-spoke steering wheel, classic round instruments, and gated 6-speed gear shifter. Ferrari lovers wouldn't have it any other way. 3, 2, 1.